Why do 90% of car enthusiasts drool over V8 engines? Here's why. That's right, the legendary AC Cobra is back, and it's better than ever. Unveiled in Donington, the new GT Coupe marries classic design with cutting-edge tech. Inspired by the 1964 Le Mans racer, this beast can hit speeds that make your heart race. The top-tier Clubsport Edition pushes out an insane 799 bhp from its supercharged V8 engine. And it's not all about power. This car is designed to be light, aiming to keep its weight under 1,450 kilograms for perfect balance. But wait, there's more. If 799 bhp is too much for you, there are also 720 bhp and 450 bhp options. All models come with an aluminum chassis and a carbon fiber body, making them not just fast but fancy. With prices starting at £325,000 and only 99 units being made, this is one exclusive ride. Deliveries kick off in late 2025, so start saving now. Stay tuned for more epic car news.